Hey everybody. Y'all, this little dog, he does not want me to be great. I need to give you guys some information about our meet and greet shop with me on this Friday, November the 17th from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. Y'all, I am just stoked. I am so excited. I'm so excited. And again, it was very impromptu. So, yeah, we got to watch these cars when we be a hood ornament out here. But I'm so excited to meet everybody. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a little information about exactly what's going to be taking place that day. So I wanted to just give you guys a little information about parking. Parking is very limited right here at Kitchen Kake Magic. It's not a large parking lot at all, and then we're going to have tables set up outside, so we're going to have to utilize the areas that are around us. There is a bowling alley that I'm walking from right now that's like right up the street, and this little side parking lot here is a great place for many of you to park. That way you won't be parked in areas where you'll be asked to move your vehicles. So it's not a far walk at all. And again, I just wanted to kind of show you how close that parking lot really is to Kitchen Kake Magic. So if you park in this area, it's Creekside, Bowling Lanes, I think it is. It'll say Creekside, you'll see the picture. But if you park there, and then you can walk down the hill, because there are other businesses that are around, and unfortunately you won't be able to park there, okay? So again, it's Friday, this Friday morning from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. The weather, I believe, is going to be beautiful. I think they're forecasting maybe about 62 degrees. It's going to be like a little overcast. They're expecting rain maybe later on that night. So I think the weather is going to be absolutely amazing, because we will be spending a lot of time outside, okay? So I want you guys to see just how close we are. Oh, let's get on across the street before we get hit. I want you to see how close we are to Kitchen Kake Magic. So please don't worry. Don't worry about, hopefully you won't feel like you have to walk too far. So Kitchen Kake Magic is right here. So like I said, the walk is not far at all. Y'all walk further than that when you're going in the grocery store, okay? There will be some people out here, I think, kind of directing you as to where you need to go, where you need to be, where you need to park. Again, we will have tables set up, and what we're planning on doing, we have so many wonderful giveaways that we've planned, and we have raffles. The challenging part of this is that because it was, again, very impromptu, we really could not forecast for the number of people that would come. A lot of you did comment and leave me my green heart saying that you would attend. Some of you did, some of you didn't. Some of you are coming and you didn't respond because you're like, Miss Donna, I want people knowing my business and knowing where I'm at, and I feel you, I got it, okay? So having said that, I cannot forecast for everyone who may be coming. So we've decided that the first 50 people will get a special little gift from me and dude number one. And then again, we have raffles that will be going on, and giveaways. So we're gonna find out those of you that are really, really true Beautiful To Creation YouTube family members, because I'm going to have some trivia questions for you. So if you've been rocking with us a long time, if you've been keeping up with our videos, you should have no problem answering some of the trivia questions that will be asked on Friday, so that you may win a gift. So again, this Friday, November the 17th, from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m., we're gonna take over Kitchen Kake Magic. You guys be prepared to shop. Let's try to buy Miss Lou out of the store. Get yourselves prepared for Thanksgiving that will be coming up next week, and then also Christmas. And again, just an opportunity for us to be able to meet and greet you all. We love you so much. And the things that we're going to share and give away will just be a small token of our love and appreciation for you all, because you all are the bomb. I know that there are so many YouTubers on YouTube, but listen, we have the best YouTube family out there. We just want to show a little appreciation to you guys. Now, what has happened with this impromptu meet and greet is that it has forced me to create a team, a staff of people to assist me. And it's just been really amazing, because the way our team has come about has definitely been God ordained. And I just feel like this meet and greet here is just a little snippet of things that God wants to do as it pertains to Beautiful Two Creations. Some of our staff members, they've been going through the comments, and they've noticed that those of you that are in Texas and those of you that are in Ohio have been making comments. So we've started kind of tallying the comments about where you guys are from. That will determine what state our next meet and greet will be in. So we're excited. So you guys keep commenting and letting us know where you're from, so we can plan and just do it on a larger scale, our next meet and greet. Listen, y'all, everybody, I need y'all to pray, okay? Because there's something special in one of my giveaways that I'm doing, okay? So there was something that I needed Miss Lou to order, and it's been ordered a while, but the UPS people, the FedEx people, the amazing Amazon people, whoever the peoples are that's supposed to be bringing the stuff, it's not arrived. So I'm gonna need y'all to pray real hard, because I was just in there talking to Miss Lou, and she's had to get on the phone and call the people to see where the stuff is, okay? It's vital. I need it before Friday so I can get it bagged up and packed up for the first 50 people. Okay, so we're gonna touch and agree that what we need is gonna show up. Okay, I'm trying to woo-saw. This is that part of planning and doing events that kind of sends me left, because when I'm a planner and I plan stuff and stuff doesn't go according to plan, I be like y'all, I be having a meltdown, okay? But I'm thankful for my amazing team, because they're gonna kind of help me woo-saw and keep it together. All right, so we're gonna prayerfully, I'll get a phone call Thursday that all is well and I have everything I need. So again, y'all, I am so excited. Do you hear me? Listen, be there this Friday. Be here this Friday, November the 17th, from 11 a.m. to 1. All right, be on your best behavior, okay? Because this is like a real field trip today. Be on your best behavior, because if you show up and you want to show out, not only are we gonna send you back to your car, honey, we're gonna send you home. All right? So we need y'all to act like you got some sense. Act like you got some home training. Do you hear me what I say? All right, so I'm so excited. Again, I look forward to meeting those of you that have said you're going to be here. Those of you that have said you want to come. Prayerfully, in another state, we will meet you all as well. So again, thank you guys so much. Y'all, I'm like a kid in a candy store. Woo, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so and hitting the nosy. That way you'll be notified whenever we're doing whatever it is we're doing over here. Thank you again. We look forward to you joining us. Y'all, I'm just excited. Woo! We look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye!